Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nasruddeen Alee. I am from Win Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I want to talk about the role of security drone in Russia national defense strategy. Russia is using security drone more and more to strengthen its defense. Drone, also known as UAVs, help monitor border, conduct reconnaissance mission, and improve surveillance, and becoming very important in modern military operation. And surveillance capabilities, security drone can watch overlap areas with this adventure, camera and sensor, making them perfect for patrolling Russia-wide and viral border. This walk view even about water and top terrain. The data they collection help quickly respond to threats, improving border security and reducing the risk of hostile infiltration. Reconnaissance mission in military operation is crucial to know where the enemy is and what they're doing. Security drone gather this information which risking human labor. They fly over conflict zones, talk high resolution picture, and send this information back to command console for analysis. This help in making smart decision on battlefield. Counter terrorism. Security drones are also key in fighting terrorism. Russia has faced many terrorist threats, and drone help identify and stop this track. This can track now terrorism and even carry out precise track. This not only prevent attack but also this to terrorist network. It's a call and legal concern. However, using security drone raises ethical and legal question. Issue like privacy, aspect release, and potential misuse for drone need to be addressed. Russia need clear guideline and protocol to ensure drone operation follow international law and respect human rights. Balancing security need with ethical consideration is crucial for the responsible use for drones. Uh, Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.